everyone, welcome back to Good to Know. I'm John and behind me is Rebecca. Today we're going to review something we've had for a long time and you might be interested. Everybody's heard about, I'm sure, about that they may be power outages or whatever and people cyber attacking us all over. So you're going to need a way to cook, okay, boil water. So we're going to review a Sterno candle lamp tabletop burner, and you can get these almost anywhere. We'll leave a few links down below where you can find these. They're a lot at your local Walmart stores, Kmart's, Sam's Club, any places like that. I even think they sell them at Lowe's. It's a plain, comes in a plain box. Really, I had to look around to find who actually made it. So in this nice little sturdy box, we actually have two of these. So the box comes off and you can actually pull the whole top off if you want to. It just snaps in back there. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Pulls right out. These run off of butane cans. They're sold with them. You get these almost anywhere, any cooking store. Sam sells them. Everybody sells them right with these grills. Basically the top comes off the burner. This burner will hold a large pot to a small pot. Easy to clean up. I mean, look, there's not a whole lot to this, just a little burner in there that brings in the butane. Again, here's one in here, butane. The lid pops right off. So it has a little gap right in the top of the lid, and right here there's a little trigger for the can. So you just want to stick that right in there like that, close it up, make sure your burner knob, that's your heat, turns it up and down so it's on low. Let's put this back on there before I burn myself. There you go, fits right in there. So you push this down, it engages the burner, engages the butane. Click it till it clicks on, and that's it. And you adjust your flame. Very easy to use. These cans last a good little while. I mean, you do several cooks on them. They're not going to last you, all day or anything like that. So, but it's very easy. Look, it gets hot real quick, real fast. Turn it off. You just turn this back up to low, and go ahead and pop that off so you don't waste your butane. It might just barely leak out. But there it is, a little quick show of this. I mean, this is very simple, not a lot to it.
And they're affordable.
Very affordable. I think they're under $20 for these things. These butanes, like I said, they sell them in 6 to maybe a 24 pack or whatever. They come in bundles. Or you might even just be able to buy one, but we keep about 6 on hand. All right, that was a quick review. Nothing to this thing. Very simple, easy to use, very inexpensive. Anybody could. Rebecca had these first, and these are simple. These are also easier than the combing. You're sitting there pumping that pressure in to get that gas into it. Which they had some of these too, but they, a lot of times they screw in. You got to make sure they're in there. Man, this one you just sit in there and flip it, and it self-engages it to it and closes it up.
It's perfect for a buffet if you're serving a buffet on the holidays.
Yeah. So like I said, this is good. Like I said, especially everybody talking about cyber attacks, power outages, food shortages. All that goes hand in hand. You need water. Need to boil water. Just cook for your family. Like I said, we have 2 of these. So we're ready. We have grills outside and anything like that happens. It's good to have an alternative method to cook with, whether it's propane, butane, charcoal. First time here, please subscribe, hit the notification button, like, share, and most important, y'all come back, go buy these up. They don't pay us for this.